It's important to follow Jesus Christ. The Islamic Dawa Mafia gang member is here. Hello, my dear Islamic Dawa gang Mafia member. Please come here. Defend your helpless extremists. People are watching you. Watch this. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't cover your face. COVID is long gone. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Take your mask. Hey, wow.
God bless you, Arun. God bless
No,
you. God bless you.
God bless you. Hey, brother. Good to see you. Good to see you. Hey. Keep your toilet tissue at home, please. Don't bring toilet tissue here. Please don't bring toilet tissue here. Please. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time carrying toilet tissue, please. Don't do. If you want to use that as kitchen towel, please at home. Don't bring here. You're a young man. Why are you covering your face? To cause trouble? What's happened to you? My dear friends, young men need to grow up. Hello, my dear Muslim friend. If you're afraid, stay at home. If you're afraid, stay at home. Why are you covering your face? Why are you so afraid? Why are you so afraid? Don't be afraid too much. If you're afraid, stay at home. If you want COVID test, we'll send you home. COVID test, we'll send you home. Go and tell your mafia gang. My dear friend, your terror network, go and tell them. Go and tell them people are watching me. When you prepare tea for your mafia gang, tell them people are watching me. The terror network has been. Thank you very much. What's that? Deportation, please come here. What, with you? Come here, please. You're home. Are you? Please come here, sir. Mr. Mohammedan, please come here. Hello, Mr. Mohammedan, please come here. I tell you, my dear friends, look, what do I tell you? Muslims are confused. When was COVID over? Do you know when was COVID lockdown and stuff over? Yeah, much, a few years ago, yeah, couple of years ago. And we have Muslim mafia gang show up with the COVID mask. Why? Terrified. They want to show up here with masks to cause confusion, to beat people up and so on. Mafia. Hello, sir. Are you Muslim, sir? Are you Muslim, sir? Please come here. Let's try and discuss. What's that? My dear friend, you need to be a Christian. Muhammad destroys your life. Jesus saves your life. Look, Jesus saves you. The Islamic Allah wants you to save him. Which one would you follow? The Islamic Allah wants little human beings like you to save him. He is hiding. He is hiding like Osama bin Laden. Are you Muslim, sir?
Can I be your God?
Why is Islamic Allah hiding like Osama bin Laden? Do you know?
Can I be your God? Can I be your God?
No, not clueless people.
I'm a human.
I know. You are a confused human, clearly. My dear friend. Why is the Islamic Allah hiding like Osama bin Laden did? Anyone? Any answer?
Human cannot be God.
Osama bin Laden. Osama bin Laden. He was hiding, wasn't he? In Pakistan. Remember? When his Abbottabad is the name where the US SEALs went in, and do you remember that? He was hiding. Islamic Allah has been in hiding for a long time now. Why? Is he afraid? Is he just like Osama bin Laden? My dear friend.
Why can't I be your God?
You're confused. You can't even be here right now. You need to be at the asylum right now, sir.
Human, that's why.
Excuse me, my friend. Please listen to this. Please listen to this.
Human cannot be God.
You can't even be here today. You need to be at the asylum. 6 o'clock. Time's up. Please go back. You're talking about being my God. Hello, my dear Arab. Where are you from, sir? Where are you from?
Kazakhstan.
Clearly not. You, sir. Where are you from?
Janadriya.
Where?
Janadriya.
Do you speak English? Did your mafia gang tell you don't speak in English when you go to Speaker's Corner? Did they teach you?
What?
Don't worry. You see how they are confused? You are a Muslim, yeah? Oh, you're not? Lovely. Marvelous. Lovely. You need to be a Christian. Are you a Christian? Praise the Lord. That's lovely. Keep it up. Human beings have to be Christians. With Jesus, people get saved. Including you. What's your name? Matt, you need to be a Christian. You need to be a Christian before it is too late. Look at the other people. Hello, my dear friend. Please come here. You see how Muslims are? Terrified. Muslims go around chopping people's heads. go around chopping people's heads. That they do going around. But coming and facing a Christian at Speaker's Corner, they're terrified. Can you imagine the level of utter junk here? Islamic mafia gang leaders. Have you heard of Alibaba? They run scared, helter-skelter. Any Muslims, my dear friends, please come here. Muslims, please come. We're trying to save human beings. Please come. Hello, Shamshi. Don't waste your time there. Please come here. Shamshi. Don't talk to clueless people. Come here, come here. Hello. What is he doing there? Shamshi. Shamshi, please come. Don't be scared. Please come. Send your Shamshi here, please. Look at him. He doesn't want fear to be seen in his eyes. He has nice sunglasses. Hello, sir. Are you Muslims, sir? Hello, my dear friends. Are you Muslims? Hello. Are you Muslims, sir? Are you Muslim? Don't be terrified. Don't be terrified. If you're a Muslim, please feel free. Come. Look, I am not Muhammad. I am not going to kill you. I am a Christian. I am here to save lives, not to kill you. So please come here. With Muslims, you need to be careful. Not with a Christian. With Christians, you can come here to be helped. Any Muslim who wants to come over and be challenged. Hello, Shamshi. Would you like to come here? Come again. Anything comical, my dear friend. He is a clueless man speaking to other clueless men, and he's wasting your time. Nas, please come. Nas, please, you please come in.
I'm just looking for Mansoor.
What's that? Mansoor is running away from me. Please come here. Nas, you need to come here. Please come, please come.
Muslim or African wants to come and talk to me. I know, we know how your whole system works.
Excuse me, my friend. Please come. Are you a Muslim, sir? Excuse me, sir. Muslims. Muslims, don't be terrified at Speaker's Corner. Please don't be. Shamshi, please send him here. Don't waste your time with him. Please don't. He doesn't have a clue, and you don't have a clue, and you're wasting your time with him. What's that? I don't. Why are you terrified coming to me? So clearly Shamshi isn't going to be here anytime soon. Any other Muslim mafia Dawa gang members? Hello, sir, are you Muslim, sir?
Why are you calling me a gang member?
Well, if you're...
Shaking hand with me.
Are you a Muslim?
Are you going to accuse me if I say yes, I am?
Don't be terrified. Just
I'm
answer the
not
question.
terrified at all.
So please answer me.
I don't want you to feel bad after finishing talking to me.
Are you a Muslim yourself?
Of course, yes, I am.
Okay. So Islam is a murderous terrorist cult, yeah? A murderous death cult.
No, I don't want to be recorded.
No, please come here. Please come here. No, we need nonsense to be recorded so everyone gets to know.
I don't want to be horrible with you. You have your own opinion about what you're saying.
Sure. In which case, that's fine. Please bring. That's fine. Don't worry, sir. Please don't worry. Send a. Excuse me.
You cannot accuse my religion.
I can't?
No.
Why not?
Yeah, because you have no knowledge of.
I have plenty of knowledge. I've read
No,
through
you
the
don't.
Quran. Do you
You
know the
don't have
Quran?
no knowledge.
Have you read the Quran?
Of course, yes, I have.
How many surahs are there?
108.
And you've read your Quran? Look at him.
Yes.
And you're calling me ignorant?
No, I don't exactly. I'm not a preacher.
No, excuse me. I'm not asking if you're a preacher or not.
I'm not a
I'm
preacher.
asking if you've read the Quran or not.
I am not.
Look at the confusion. Unbelievable. Utter junk. What is going on? Utter nonsense.
Are you Christian?
I am a Christian.
Why are so many different Christians? Why there no one Christian?
I am not him. He is not me. So they are different Christians.
No, there is a different section.
No. Let's deal with your ignorance about the Quran.
No, don't
So
worry
the
about my
Quran.
ignorance.
The Quran. So
You cannot teach me Islam. I am Muslim. I was born Muslim. I'm going to die Muslim. And I don't care about you, what you say.
don't care?
Because I know my religion. It
Please
teaches
tell
me
me.
positively.
Tell me. Where does your religion somewhere teach love your enemies anywhere?
What? Love your enemies. Well,
Love non-Muslims anywhere?
yeah, it says treat them equally. And
Where,
give them
where?
equal rights.
Where?
Equality. That's where we come from.
Where?
Prophet Muhammad told us. It's
Excuse
in
me,
the Ahadith.
where in the Quran?
It's in the Ahadith. They're two different
Listen
things.
to me.
Quran is not the only thing.
Okay, maybe you have hearing issues. Please, let me repeat my question. Does your Quran teach love your enemies?
Quran doesn't teach it. Quran is a law.
Listen
It
to me.
teaches you how to live on this planet, and
How
it's a
to
God
live.
creation in
Excuse
it. It's a God
To live.
what He created is in it. How He
live.
made it is
To-
in it.
Please listen.
Like a Torah, it starts from the day one.
Please listen.
Yeah.
To live in this world, you have to love others. Yeah.
The humanity, yes.
Yeah. So
And
if the
animals,
Quran
yes.
teaches you how to live in this world, it has to teach you to love others. Love non-Muslims.
Yeah, that's
Does
what-
it teach
that's what-
anywhere to love non-Muslims?
Yeah, that the Quran is not enough, then we have a hadith. We call it Prophet Muhammad said.
So, but before
Without
that,
the deen is not complete.
excuse me, sir. Please listen.
Yeah,
Respond to my question and then go anywhere else.
yeah.
Does the Quran teach love your enemies?
You have read it. Did you find anything in it?
Do you know or not?
What?
Do you know or
I
not?
said yes. It
Where-
teaches
where?
you equality.
Where?
Where? Exactly where? Like
Yeah.
I said, I'm not a preacher. I don't know Quran by heart, every
Fine,
single
fine.
word.
So you don't know exactly. Tell me approximately what does it say about equality, please.
well, Prophet Muhammad said there is no white,
In the Quran.
there is no black,
Listen, please. Are you
everyone
hearing?
is equal.
Do you
read
have
the last-
comprehension issue?
last-
Do you have comprehension issue?
Do I? Maybe
I'm
I
asking
do.
You clearly have.
Maybe I do.
You
if
need
you
to
think
get-
so.
you need to
but
get-
I don't think that what you're saying is
No
you're
problem.
critical.
Thank you very much, my
You
dear
know
friend.
what? You know what?
It's quite sad. It's quite sad.
It's very
Don't worry, don't worry.
difficult to make understanding. It's
When
very
you-
easy to criticize.
No, no,
I can criticize
I'll tell you.
you.
I'll tell you what you wanted to say. It's very difficult to make someone understand when you don't say anything. I completely agree. When you haven't got a clue, you can't help me understand. I completely agree. So God's blessings. Take a Bible when you go home. When you go home, my dear friend, when you go home, please read that.
I have.
This book
But
is
I
a
cannot
million
change your
gazillion
mind.
times better than your Quran. Please don't waste time.
cannot
I need to
change
speak to
your
one more
mind.
person.
You
Thank you
can
very
go
much.
away.
Please, thank you very much. Hello, sir. Are you a Christian, sir?
It already states that within, you know that it already states that within the Quran. However, you cannot question the Bible.
Exactly.
You'll
Not just
see
the Bible.
reference, you can go to it.
Yeah. The Quran actually makes them question nothing. The Quran is a brainwashing cult. You know, across the Quran, it criticizes the Bible in various different ways, but nowhere it makes a logically tenable criticism. Neither does it show any knowledge of the Bible. It's absolutely ignorant about the Bible. In other words, it's a brainwashing cult. Where you're not taught how you reject a book. You're just told to reject a book. So this Quran is utter junk. I know people are advancing this idea called Islamic dilemma. You might have heard. I don't agree with that actually. When you read the Quran carefully, the Quran doesn't actually approve of the Bible properly. It doesn't. The overarching.
I'm open-minded. It's just I've read within certain part of the Quran which stated that, and don't know what reference I saw it from. Anyway, but it did state that, and
it does.
yeah,
When you
it's very
ignore the
important
context.
to reference stuff and realise our sources and where stuff is from, in order to give ourselves a heading, which then gives us, it allows us to converse with one another.
Yeah. But lovely catching up today.
Yeah,
if you,
absolutely, Aaron.
are you a Christian yourself?
I am.
Yeah.
I
Can I please request please, can you please, I'm sorry. There's a visiting card, yeah.
No problem.
Sorry.
No problem.
Yeah. Please, oh no, not that. The other,
Not
sorry.
that one.
Yeah, not that, sorry.
We'll try again.
Yeah.
Is it
Not that either,
one?
sorry.
So it's a card.
I'm hoping it's there somewhere. There we go.
Awesome.
Yeah. So please email. It'll be lovely to catch up. What's your name?
Andy.
Andy, it'll be lovely to catch up. Please email.
Yeah.
Please email and we can.
Absolutely.
Yeah, thank you much. Thank you much.